In just 14 days, see a significant improvement in your hair shine. Are you wondering how? So here are simple lifestyle modifications that are very easy to be done. First is obviously to make sure that your diet is adequate in protein and all other nutrients. Drinking a lot of water so that you are hydrated and detoxed at all times. Other than that, it's also very important that you're conditioning your hair on a regular basis. So make sure if you're hair oiling or using a nice hair mask, it should be on a very regular basis. Once in a week or twice a week should be enough. Other than that, a very important thing is to work out regularly. Try to sweat out all the toxins from your body and make sure that all the nutrients, that is omega-3, protein, is adequate in your diet. Try to skip hot showers because they dehydrate your hair, and minimize your exposure to the sun. Again, UV rays can damage your hair as well, and try not to stress for simple things in life. So if you like this video, do follow and subscribe us, and you can share it with as many friends as you want.